Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you a good way how you can improve your on-page SEO and how you can analyze on-page SEO of any websites or e-commerce stores. So if you are doing SEO for yourself or for your customers, so if you want to improve the on-page SEO of a specific website, so I have a really good tool for you here. Maybe you heard about it, maybe not. So the tool I'm talking about is called Screamingfrog. So Screamingfrog is a really good tool that can analyze your website in depth. So for this, I want to show you real quick. So I am on Google right now and I'm searching for roofing service Texas, for example, and I want to pick a random website so we can analyze this website, and then we can see what we can improve on the website. So if this is our website or if this is a customer website, then yeah, what can we improve to on the website to improve the rankings? So right now I am on Google and I search for roofing service Texas. And yeah, here are the search results, and maybe let's go a little bit further down. So maybe the websites here on top, they are right now, I think they are optimized because yeah, they are on the top here in the search results. And then maybe let's go on the second page, for example, and let's take a look at the websites here. So for example, let's see what this website has to offer. And so let's have a look here. Okay, it's a little bit slow. I can see directly. And yeah, so this website is a good example. Then let's copy the website URL, and then let's go to our Screamingfrog tool, and I will put the link in the video description of Screamingfrog. So Screamingfrog has a free version and a paid version, but I think for the basic SEO checkup, on-page SEO checkup, we can use the free version. I use the free version all the time. So the only downside with the free version, you can only check up to I think 500 sites per week, I think, or per month. I don't know for sure, but yeah, check it out. I will put the link to Screamingfrog in the video description, and yeah, you can download it for Windows and for Mac. I am right now on Mac, on my Mac computer here, and yeah, so let's put here on top, you can see enter URL, so we can paste it in here, and then we can click on start, and then the tool will start analyzing the website. So the tool will crawl the complete website and analyze everything, every image, every page, everything. So we have a good understanding of the website structure and what we can improve on the website. So for example, if this is our website and we want to rank higher in the search results, or if this is a website from our customers and we want to work on the website, and this tool I use very often. And yeah, so the website is pretty small, I think. And here you can see the structure of the website. We can directly see this is the URL, Texas Signature Roofing. And we can directly see that this website is built with WordPress. You can see WP includes and WP content. And here you can see the status code of the sites is 200. So this means the website, a specific page is up and running, it is reachable. And here we have 301. So this website is redirected, but it's okay. And here we can see every page is available beside the redirected pages, but this is totally fine. So then we can go, for example, to the home page here. And when we click the homepage, we can see everything, what's going on here. And let's go here. You can see the title, that the page has a title. I think, yeah, the title is not that optimized for the page. So if this is a website for my clients, then I would think we can optimize the page, because yeah, I think they are yeah, Texas, they are in Texas and they are offering roofing service. So the page title should be different, should be a roofing company in Texas or in the specific city or whatever. And here you can see the title length. The title length is okay. 63 characters, this is okay. And here you can see the meta description is we could optimize this. And then I want to show you another thing here. Meta keywords, we don't want meta keywords, this is good. And here you can see it is very important that every page has an H1 tag. So this page has an H1 tag. I think your local roofer this is good. This is has the main keywords in it. Maybe you can maybe I would make roofing service in College Station. I think this would be much better, but it's okay. And here you can see the H3 and so on and so on. So you can have a good understanding of the website. And another thing is what we can take a look at is the images. Here you can see image details. And here you can see all the images of the website. So if we click on an image, we cannot read the images, but that's okay. And you can see all the images here have no alt text, no alt description. And this is really bad because Google must understand the images and what the images are all about. And this is not that good because no image has an alt description, and this is especially this is critical for your SEO. So if this is my website or my client's website, then we have to work on the alternative image description. And for all the pages, you can see I am on the images, and no image has a description, so this is not that good. And also you can see the images, you can see the size of the images in the tool, and the tool has so much to offer. You can see the external resources here, here they are using Google Fonts. You can see security tab, the response code. The complete website is online. This is good. And then you can see the meta description of all pages. Here you can see the page structure, the main homepage, gallery, commercial, roofing, and the meta description. You can download, or you can work on the meta description. But I think the meta description of this website is not that optimized. So you have a good picture of all the meta description, and you can rewrite the meta description to make it better for SEO purposes, the length, and so on and so forth. So meta keywords, I hope they don't have any meta keywords. No, they don't. And here you can see H1 text. So every page on our website or the client website must have an H1 heading. So you can see here if all pages have an H1. So it seems all pages have an H1 besides the privacy policy, but that's not too bad. But the main pages here have an H1. This is really good. But we have to, if this is my website or a client website, we have to work on the H1, because I think the H1 are not optimized for SEO. They don't have the right keywords, because Google at first, or Bing or whatever search engine, when they are crawling the website, the specific website, then they are looking at the H1 tag, and the H1 tag tells Google and the search engine, other search engines, what the website is all about and the main topic. So this we have to optimize. And here you can see the contact us page, for example, is really bad. So they have as H1 have contact us today. So this is something we have to change if this is our website. And that's it, I think, for the video. So make sure to check out Screamingfrog, the tool Screamingfrog, and it's a really good tool to analyze websites and see what you can improve on a website and so on and so forth. So yeah, then I will put the link of the tool in the video description down below. And yeah, if you learned something new in the video, then press the like button, and I would also appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more videos about SEO, web design, e-commerce, and so on and so forth. So yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.